that transition, it sounds like the opportunity presented itself. Was it through a recruiter? Was it through just your outreach, just networking, kind of stuff like that? Can you talk to me a little bit about how you kind of got the opportunity to even interview? And then was it through like networking, or was it through like a formal process? I think Google's known to be pretty regimented, I think, and pretty thoughtful in terms of how they recruit. But just getting into that process, was there anything special like networking that you did?
Actually, there wasn't anything special in terms of networking that I did for this job. I think a recruiter reached out and, it sounded like an interesting opportunity and I just wanted to learn more.
Mm-hmm.
After hearing more about it, it sounded very, very interesting. Ended up going through kind of more of their formal recruiting process, which, I think it's a very robust, very long process. I think end to end took maybe 4.5 months.
Oh my gosh.
And so, was a very long process, but also very thorough. You got to meet the team, you got to learn a lot about the Google culture, kind of how they think. And ultimately, I think Google really prides itself in having a high bar of talent and hiring. And so the process kind of helps make sure that the right talent is coming through.